Hey guys, welcome back to another 1 Minute PD. Today I want to show you the power of collections in Flipgrid and show you why this new feature might just be one of my favorites. To find collections in Flipgrid, you need to head to the Discovery Library at the top of your educator dashboard. And as you scroll down, you will immediately see where you can start collections. Now, Flipgrid has already sorted some collections for me. They put all the topics that I have personally added into the Discovery Library in one place, and then some of my favorites that I had already had, flagged. But here, you can then add a collection based on what you're searching for. So let's say that I want to have a collection just of math lessons. I simply click New Collection, spell it correctly, type in whatever it is that I want, and then I push Enter to add that collection up here in my toolbar. Once you've created your collections, you're free to explore the Discovery Library. You can go from looking at partners to trending topics. You can even search down at the bottom. Once you find a topic that works for you, you simply click on it, and right here is where you go to save. You pick your collection, and you're ready to roll.